I didn't plan on filming a video today, but here I am in the South Park of Sofia, without a plan or a script. I just needed to get away from the current events happening around the world. And I don't know about you, but for me the best way to release stress is to make a journey back to nature. I call it ecotherapy.
Hey guys, I wasn't going to go out today. I wanted to have a lazy day because I hardly slept last night. But when I opened the window and when I saw the snow, I just couldn't resist it. And I live very close to the South Park in Sofia. So I decided to come out and film a little bit. I'm taking you on a walk with me. It looks really magical because it was snowing yesterday and today, and the snow is still on the branches of the trees.
The South Park is among the largest parks in Sofia. It was established in 1972 and it provides a great infrastructure for all kinds of outdoor activities. Fountains, benches, playgrounds, coffee shops and restaurants. The park is also used for organizing open-air festivals. The South Park is home to 65 species of birds, 29 of which are protected and 2 are included in the Red Book of Bulgaria. The Perlovska River runs across the park and there are several ponds where you can spot some cool birds.
And I just love it when the park is almost empty, because when the weather is nice, it gets too crowded. People looking at me.
The best way to calm your mind is to stand by the river and listen to the soothing sounds of the flowing water.
I want to show you something. Look at this. This poor tree was about to bloom. Just 2 days ago I did a video about Baba Marta, and Baba Marta in the Bulgarian folklore is an old lady who is grumpy and she brings unpredictable weather. So tomorrow is the 1st of March and look what's happening. Just 2 days ago it was like spring and now we are back to winter. But anyway, I'm not complaining because it's very beautiful. There is a monument of Mahatma Gandhi That was a nice surprise. I didn't expect to see it here in the South Park of Sofia.
The Mahatma Gandhi monument was built in 2018. Just across you can see the housing estate Lozenitz, and this is the main entrance of the South Park in Sofia.
So I don't know if you can see, but in the distance there is Vitusha mountain.
I brought a carrot with me because I wanted to make a snowman and play a little bit in the snow, just like the kids do. But even though there was a lot of snow, it was starting to melt. And when I was about to give up on the idea, I came across this.
I think this snowman deserves a carrot. I think his nose doesn't want to spend.
Jesus.
These are coffee shops that are usually very busy during the summer.
I hope you have enjoyed this random video. My heart has been heavy this week because of the war in Ukraine, but I think we should stay positive, pray for peace, and instead of feeling resentful, we need to send light and love to Ukraine, Russia, USA, and every party that is involved in this conflict. We are all one. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I hope to see you next week. Bye bye.